all for sparing your most valuable time and coming here to participate in the wonderful occasion of Lord Balramji's appearance. We see Krishna is not an ordinary person. Because he is not ordinary, his existence and his pastimes. Yes. What is pastime? This is also a very new word. Pastime. We know time pass. We don't know pastime. What is pastime? When we do something, it is called time pass. When God does something, it is called pastime. Yes. So we do activities which are there just to take away our time. But when God does activities, paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. It has a purpose. There is a specific reason why God does anything. So God is not ordinary, his pastimes are not ordinary. God has many kinds of expansions. Yes. Krishna has many kinds of expansions. Two expansions are mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. The first is called as Prabhava Prakash. Prabhava Prakash means Krishna's expansions which are same in bodily color, in appearance, in mood, everything same. सो भगवान कृष्ण भगवान है और भगवान के ही जैसे दिखने वाले, भगवान के ही मानसिकता वाले वो जो भगवान के विस्तारित रूप हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड प्राभव प्रकाश. One example of these kind of incarnations is when Krishna danced with the gopis. Yes, there were millions of gopis. It was not only Radharani with whom Krishna danced, millions of them. And everyone felt Krishna is dancing only with me. So Krishna expanded himself and all of them were looking exactly Krishna. So this is Prabhava Prakash, wherein Krishna expands himself into many and all of them are exactly looking like Krishna. And the second kind of expansion is called Vaibhava Prakash. Vaibhava Prakash means it is God, but his form and his mood is different from what Krishna's is. The mother see, so much to learn. She has only one shelter, I. Yes. So she doesn't bother about क्या चल रहा है, कौन देख रहा है, कौन नहीं देख रहा है. उसको एक ही चीज़ से परवाह है, मेरी माँ कहाँ है. सिमिलरली दिस इज अ लेसन फॉर अस. हम वी आर टू कॉशियस. मुझे कौन देख रहा है, कहाँ देख रहा है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. अरे भगवान किधर है. शी डजेंट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग एल्स. शी वॉन्ट्स आई. सिंपल. शी हैज़ क्लियर कट डेफिनेशन वॉट शी वॉन्ट्स नाउ. Similarly, as Vaishnavas, what we should be worrying for? Krishna, that is the only thing I care for. Yes. So in one sense, a small child also teaches us. And the biggest example of who teaches us this is Balramji. So coming back to the main concept what we were discussing. So first is called as Prabhava Prakash. Prakash means expansion. And second is Vaibhava Prakash. Vaibhava Prakash means those expansions of God, they do not look like God. In the sense they are God, but they do not resemble Krishna. They will not have a black color. They will not have Dvibhuja form. They will not have Vamshi. They will not be Tribhanga Lalit bent in three places. So this is called Vaibhava Prakash. Yes. And what are Vaibhava Prakash? All the Vishnu Rupas are Vaibhava Prakash expansions. And the foremost Vaibhava Prakash expansion is Balramji. Balramji doesn't look like Krishna. Krishna is black in complexion and Balram ji is white in complexion. Krishna holds flute, Balram ji holds gada or he holds hala. Krishna is in the mood of accepting service. Yes, you serve me. If we read Bhagavad Gita is full of Krishna's revelations. He says, you do this, you do this, you do this. Clear-cut instructions. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami mashucha yat karoshi yad ashnasi yad jubhosi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tad kurushu madarpanam मच्चित्ता मद्गत प्राण बोधयंत परस्परम कथयंतश्च माम नित्यम तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. Various ways wherein Krishna is saying, oh, you surrender to me. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yome bhaktya prayachati. So you do this for me, you do this for me. Yes, man mana bhava mad bhakto madyaji mam namaskuru mamay vaishyasi. So Bhagavad Gita has Krishna's direct instructions. आप ये करिए. So Krishna is in the mood of accepting seva. Whereas same Krishna, when he comes in the form of Balram ji, he is in the mood of rendering seva. Yes. So Krishna becomes Balram. Krishna और बलराम में कोई अंतर नहीं है. Both are supreme personality of Godhead. But the mood changes. Krishna wants everyone to serve him and Balram ji wants to serve Krishna. Yes. So that God who wants to serve himself is Balram ji. And that is why we see to what extent he wants to serve. In the spiritual realm, everything that Krishna uses is an expansion of Balram ji. Yes. So, if Krishna is using a flute, that flute is an expansion of Balram ji. Balram ji is manifesting in the form of that flute. If Krishna is wearing a pitambar, that pitambar, Balram ji is manifesting in the form of pitambar. If Krishna is sleeping on a bed, that bed is an expansion of Balram ji. If Krishna is going in a chariot, that chariot is an expansion of Balram ji. So much so that anything, anywhere that is used in Krishna's service is an expansion of Balram ji. So today for our cooking, whatever has been used, in one sense Balram ji is present there. Jitne matke, jitne table, jitna table cloth, ये माइक सिस्टम, यस, उस समय के लिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कृष्ण कथा हो रही है, भगवान कृष्ण का गुणगान हो रहा है, तो बलराम जी कहते हैं मैं यहाँ पे आके वास करूँगा. सो वेरेवर देर इज glorification of Krishna's name, form, qualities and pastimes, there Balram ji manifests. You see? So Krishna and Balram, yes, they are always together. If we see, Balram ji even takes the mood of a protective elder brother. Yes. It is Balram ji who is taking the role of a elder protective brother. When Krishna ate dirt, it is Balram ji who goes and says to Mother Yashoda, "Arey Maiya, isne mitti khai hai." So Mother Yashoda gets concerned and she comes to Kana and Kana, mitti khai? So Kana says, अच्छा मिट्टी नहीं खाई? तो बलराम जी, दाऊ जी झूठ बोल रहे. Kana बोले, अच्छा मुंह खोलो. So he is not ready to open his mouth only. He is only saying yes or no. So we see Indians have a very beautiful way of communicating in sign. Yes. So once an Indian person, one of our devotees told me, one of our Indian person, he went to America. And his boss asked him something and he said yes. So the boss said, this is yes or no. Because they don't know sign language. What is this? Is it yes or no? So you have to explain that this is yes. So we have a unique way of communicating in signs. And how that has come? That has come from Krishna. Because when Yashoda Maya asked Krishna, तूने मिट्टी खाई है? Krishna said, So you see, anything that is existing now is actually coming from Shastras. So Balram ji serves Krishna in every way. Balram ji expands himself into one of the gopis, Ananga Manjiri, to assist Radharani in serving Krishna also. So Balram ji takes a very protective mode. Previously, Balram ji came in the form of Lakshman. And Lakshman had to do many things that he didn't want to do. But because Ram told, and Ram is an elder brother, so बड़े भाई को ना कैसे बोले? So he had to do. Setting fire for Mother Sita. सीता के लिए जो अग्नि परीक्षा हुई, उसके लिए चिता लक्ष्मण ने ये की. ले लक्ष्मण जी चिता तैयार करो. And Lakshman ji was furious at Lord Ram. So what does Lord Ram think of himself? He wants to test Mother Sita's chastity, but he couldn't open his mouth. Ram बड़े है ना. When Lord Ram abandoned Sita, Valmiki Muni's ashram, that time also Lakshmana was very furious. And somehow anything that Lord Ram does not want to do, he tells Lakshmana only. And many a times Lakshmana also doesn't want to do it. You see, there is a huge difference in the mood of Lord Ram and Lakshman. Lord Ram is Maryada Purushottam, but Lakshman is like, कौन है सामने आओ, जो होगा वो बाद में देखेंगे. Yes. When Dasharath Maharaj exiled Ram and Sita, he was exiling Ram. Sita accompanied, Lakshman also is accompanying. So he is giving such words, you should read Ramayana. That Dasharath, yes, he has lost all his senses. He is telling his father, and in front of him, that Dasharath becoming mad at one of his wives, he has lost all his sense. He might have abandoned you, Ram. I will not abandon. You will sit on the throne of Ayodhya today. Let me see who comes in front. If Dasharath comes, I will slay him also. Dasharath अगर यहाँ पे आते हैं, उनको भी मार डालूंगा. तुम बैठो भगवान. So this is the mood of Lakshman ji. Yes. But Lakshman could not do many things that he wanted to do. So when he came to know that Lord is planning another descent, he first only went to the Lord. Lord, there is one request. भगवान बोले क्या है? देखो पिछली बार बहुत गड़बड़ हो गया था, मैं छोटा बन के आया, आपने बहुत गैर फायदा उठाया. इस बार मेरे को बड़ा बन के आना है. बोले क्यों? अरे क्या क्या करवाया आपने भगवान. तौबा तौबा तौबा. Lakshman ji says, I don't want to do all these things. So Krishna laughs and he says, okay. So that was the time when Devaki had just given birth to 6 sons, which represent the 6 anarthas that every jiva has: Kama, Krodh, Lobha, Moha, Mad and Matsar. So when these anarthas are vanquished, that is when Krishna appears in our consciousness. Krishna just does not appear like this. Yes. Just like when we have a festival at home, or a big dignitary is coming to our home, say suppose, how will we prepare our house? Yes. ऐसे ही रखेंगे क्या? हर जगह से बास आ रही है, एकदम मक्खी घूम रही है, उधर से कॉकरोच गिर रहा है, ऐसा रखेंगे क्या घर को अपने? नहीं, सफ़ा चट करेंगे एकदम चकाचक. सो वैसे ही अगर भगवान हृदय में आने हैं तो हृदय को कैसे चकाचक करना पड़ेगा? यस. सो काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मद और मत्सर, ये जब हृदय से निकलते हैं तब हृदय चकाचक होता है. एंड जस्ट लाइक व्हेन यू टेल योर सर्वेंट्स, अरे ये सब देखना, ये सब देखना, ये सब देखना, ये सब देखना, and then finally the maids come and tell you, madam, everything is done. You come and see everything is done or no. अरे यहाँ पे ये बाकी है, ये नहीं किया हुआ है. You get the final things done. Similarly, when Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsar leaves our heart, then Balramji comes to see, has everything really gone? And Balramji does that okay, QC, QA stamp. In factories, production factories, you must be knowing. QC and QA. वो जब तक धब्बा लगता नहीं है काला सा, कुछ बाहर नहीं निकलता. So when Balramji says okay, tested, then Krishna appears. So Balramji comes to do a pre-inspection. Yes. And in Lord Ram's time, Balramji ने एक गड़बड़ कर दी थी. राम को पहले भेज दिया था, इंस्पेक्शन करने पहले नहीं आए. उसका कितना खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ा था वो बलराम जी को, लक्ष्मण को याद है. सो देन से ये ऐसी गड़बड़ नहीं बंद करने की, पहले ही जाके इंस्पेक्शन कर लो, बाहर आ जाओ, बड़े बन जाओ, फिर टेंशन नहीं. ये छोटा वाला बहुत गड़बड़ करता है बाद में. यू सी, कृष्णा इज फेमस एज वाक पटु. वाक मीन्स स्पीच and Patu means expert. So when gopis are coming towards Krishna, Krishna will say, oh, don't come. Now what does that don't come means? Don't and don't, two don'ts cancel each other, which means come. Don't come, which means come. So मुंह पे कुछ और, अंदर से कुछ और. कृष्ण ऐसे ही है. So for Krishna to come in our hearts, it is very difficult. And once Krishna goes in our heart, for him to come out also it is very difficult. Yes, भगवान ऐसे हैं. It is like Fevicol. So Fevicol का एक बार जोड़ लग गया तो बाद में Fevicol छूटेगा नहीं. कुछ ना कुछ तो उधर हमेशा ही रहेगा, है कि नहीं? Yes. कहाँ पे Fevicol लगाना है वो आपके ऊपर है. फेविकॉल भी कम, वो फेविक्विक. यस, 5 रुपये 10 रुपये का ट्यूब आता है. आप ऐसे करके रखिए, हाथ चिपक जाएंगे, फिर हाय तौबा हो जाएगी. इट टेक्स 3 seconds ओनली, सप, एंड यू वोंट बी एबल टू सेपरेट दिस. यस. सो कृष्णा's appearance in our life, Krishna's coming in our lives is like that. When Krishna gets hooked to our consciousness, it is like that फेविकॉल का जोड़. Yes. So only thing is, फेविक्विक बहुत जल्दी चिपक जाता है, कृष्ण चिपके नहीं चिपकते. लेकिन एक बार चिपक गए फिर खुले नहीं खुलते. That is how Krishna is. So Balram ji knows this very well, and Balram ji comes and he appeared as the 7th child of Devaki. And when he saw that everything is right, he did QC, QA, tested, and then Krishna said, oh Yogamaya, you please transfer this Balramji from Devaki's womb to Rohini's womb. And that's how he was. And now Maya says, my lord, how can I pull you out of somewhere? Yes. राजा बैठा होगा, मंत्री जाके बोल सकता है क्या, राजा थोड़ा उठो? नहीं रे. सो माया कैनॉट टेल कृष्णा, ओ कृष्णा यू कम. सो व्हेन कृष्णा टोल्ड माया, यू पुल बलराम जी फ्रॉम देवकीज वूम एंड पुट हिम इन रोहिणीज वूम, माया गॉट स्केयर्ड. माया सेड, हाउ कैन आई डू दैट? सो कृष्णा सेड, डोंट वरी, आई विल प्रोटेक्ट यू. So then Maya came, Yogamaya, and she took out Balramji from by force and put it in Rohini's womb. So because he was taken out from Devaki's womb, he is called as Sankarshan. Maya ने उसे Karshan, Karshan means to pull. So Maya pulled, Yogamaya pulled Balramji from Devaki's womb and put it in Rohini's womb. That is why Balramji is also called as Sankarshan. And then Kamsa became perplexed. It appeared as if the 7th child of Devaki was a miscarriage. She had conceived She had conceived and then no baby, which means miscarriage. Now there is no one. So when Krishna actually appeared as the 8th child of Devaki, then there was a big discussion. अभी ये जो आया है वो 7th पकड़े या 8th पकड़े? So Kamsa was confused. So this is another pastime, or this is another characteristic of Balram ji, that he will always confuse every jiva who is opposite to Krishna. Someone who is not a devotee, Balram ji will always confuse that person. Yes. And that is how he is always ready to guard, yes, against anything that goes wrong with Krishna. There is a pastime in Jagannath Puri. In Jagannath Puri, you see, Jagannath Puri की खासियत क्या है? वहाँ का प्रसाद. Yes. You go to Jagannath Puri, you don't have Jagannath ji's darshan, very fine. If you don't honor Jagannath ji's prasad, that's a big sin. Yeah. If you go to Jagannath Puri, if you don't have darshan, you, अरे बहुत भीड़ है, नो टेंशन, मत लगो लाइन में, मत लो दर्शन, कोई टेंशन नहीं, क्षम्य है. लेकिन वहाँ जा करके जगन्नाथ जी का प्रसाद नहीं खाया, अक्षम्य है. So once it so happened that one person gave another person a khaja, a sweet that is locally made in Jagannath Puri. So that person was a Muslim. So he took that khaja and he threw it away. It landed in a gutter. So for him what? That night, yes, that night Balram ji came in his dream. The next day morning he is telling his family, he came to Jagannath temple and he is begging for some prasad. And take care. So this is a Muslim and he is coming and begging for prasad. What happened? So he is telling, अरे कल रात को ये जो सफ़ेद वाला है ना, ये मेरे सपने में आया था, मेरे छाती पर बैठ के कूद रहा था. नालायक, तूने मेरे भाई का प्रसाद नहीं लिया, ताड़ ताड़ करके मार रहा था मुझे इतना दर्द हुआ. और ये जो येलो वाली लड़की है ना, वो हंस रही थी, बोल रही थी और मार उसको, और मार उसको. So Balram ji is hitting that person, Subhadra Maiya is happily saying और मार उसको. So Balram ji is very cautious of what you make of Jagannath ji, what do you make of Krishna. So he is a very protective mood. So we see Balram ji is such a unique personality. Yeah. And then we also have Balram ji, who is very favorable to Duryodhan. And many people ask this question, Arey Balram ji, if he is God, how come he is so favorable to Duryodhan? Yes. He is God. He can favor what is there. So when God does some things like this, we have to understand that he is completely independent. Yes. It so happened that during the war of Mahabharata, when Balram ji came to know that Pandavas and Kauravas are going to fight within themselves, so Balram ji said, अरे ये भी मुझे अच्छा लगता है, ये भी मुझे अच्छा लगता है, अब मैं किसकी साइड लूँ? कृष्ण ने तो अपनी साइड ले ली, he took Pandavas side. बलराम जी बोलते मैं किसकी साइड लूँ? आई एम अ न्यूट्रल पार्टी. सो बलराम जी सेड इधर का भी नहीं होते, उधर का भी नहीं होते, लेट्स गो फॉर अ पिलग्रिमेज. सो ही गोज फॉर अ पिलग्रिमेज एंड सो वी सी बलराम जी घर छोड़ दिए. यस, टेंशन में आके, फ्रस्ट्रेशन में, क्या ये लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हैं. सो घर में होने वाले टेंशन से लोग घर, फ्रस्ट्रेशन से लोग घर छोड़ देते हैं. ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, ये बलराम जी ने भी किया था. सो बलराम जी लेफ्ट हिज हाउस, ही इज गोइंग फॉर अ पिलग्रिमेज. फॉर अ पिलग्रिमेज ही केम टू नैमिषारण्य. नैमिषारण्य इज इन टुडेज उत्तर प्रदेश, सीतापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. From a spiritual point of view, it is explained that once Lord Brahma, in order to calculate the center of the universe. He manufactured a wheel and he threw the wheel on this universe. And when that wheel landed and encompassed the entire universe, the center of that wheel exactly fell in Chakratirtha or Naimisharanya. So Naimisharanya is supposed to be the center of the entire universe. So that's why it is a very, very pious and famous spot for spiritual activities. So Naimisharanya, there were sages who were doing a sacrifice for the benefit of people of Kali Yuga. And Balramji reached there, and Balramji saw that there is a disciple of Vyasdev whose name is Romaharshana. And Romaharshana is sitting on the Vyasasana. When Balramji came, all the sages who were present there, they got up from their seats and they paid respect, homage to Balramji. They worshipped Balramji and they nicely, cordially welcomed him. But Romaharshan, who was sitting on the Vyasasana, he was thinking, I am sitting on the Vyasasana, I don't need to get up for anyone, whoever he might be. So Balramji sensed that this is a sense of pride in the heart of Romaharshan. And in the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, there is a beautiful pastime. Balramji says very beautiful verses wherein he says that this Romaharshan, he has got a wonderful birth. He has got a wonderful tutelage. He is the disciple of Vyasdev. Yes. व्यासदेव जी का शिष्य कौन नहीं बनना चाहेगा? So you get direct initiation from Vedvyas ji. Yes. He is a direct disciple of Vedvyas ji. He is learned in Shastras, but he doesn't have two things. Balramji says. What are the two things that he does not have? He does not have self-control and he does not have humility. He doesn't have self-control and he doesn't have humility. And when these two things are not there, yes, then Balramji says it is quite befitting that he should not live. And Balramji comes and Balramji, he takes a blade of grass and he just touches on the neck of Romaharshan and Romaharshan immediately dies. So there is a beautiful conversation here that happens. Yes. Two seconds. So Balramji says that ऋषिर भगवतो भूत्वा शिष्योधित्य बहूनि च सेतिहासानि पुराणानि धर्मशास्त्राणि सर्वशः अदान्तस्याविनीतस्य वृथा पंडितमानिनः न गुणाय भवन्ति स्म नटस्येवाजितात्मनः. So Balramji is commenting about Romaharshan. What does he say? Although he is a disciple of the divine sage Vyas and has thoroughly learned many scriptures from him, including the law books of religious duties and the epic histories and Puranas, all this study has not produced good qualities in him. Rather, this study of scriptures, his study of scriptures, is like an actor's studying his part. For he is not self-controlled or humble, and vainly presumes himself a scholarly authority, though he has failed to conquer his own mind. Very insightful and very, very direct, quite alarming words. He says Romaharshan is very learned. Romaharshan is qualified from an external point of view. But all this learning has not got in Romaharshan a very important quality, that is humility. Yes, learning should bestow humility. सही में अगर व्यक्ति विद्यावान है तो वो विनम्र होगा. हम देखते हैं भगवद गीता में कृष्णा से विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणी गवि हस्तिनी शुनि चैव श्वपाके च पंडितः समदर्शिनः. सो विद्या विनय संपन्न. वन कैनॉट बी ओनली विद्या संपन्न. विद्या मस्ट गिव विनय. विनय मीन्स ह्यूमिलिटी. सुभाषित, संस्कृत सुभाषित इज देयर विच सेज विद्या ददाति विनयम विनयाद्याति पात्रताम पात्रात्वात् धनम आपनोति धनात् धर्मम तत्सुखम. So what is the way to happiness? The way to happiness is from knowledge. Vidya dadati vinayam. Knowledge should result in humility. Vinayat dhyati patratam. When one is humble, actually, he becomes qualified to receive mercy. Vinayat dhyati patratam. Patratva dhanam apnoti. A humble person who is endeavoring, only he gets riches. And by this, we mean material riches also and spiritual riches also. Patratva dhanam apnoti. When that dhana is utilized for dharma, dhana dharmam tat sukha, then there is happiness. So becoming happy is a long chain. Vidya, vinaya, patrata, dhana, dharma, and then sukha. And this entire chain is presided over by none other than Balram ji, because ultimate dharma comes from Balram ji. Yes, Balaram, Bala means who gives strength. Strength for what? Strength for coming close to the Lord. Strength for overcoming our anarthas. Strength to follow in the footsteps of acharyas. Strength to stretch ourselves beyond sometimes our human capacity to attract the mercy of Krishna. Yes. So, हेनो निताय बिने भाई राधा कृष्ण पाइते नाई दृढ़ करी धरो निताई पाय. Nitai means Balram. So without the mercy of Balaram, we do not get the mercy of Radharani and Krishna. So actual preparation of consciousness for Janmashtami starts today by begging very, very fervently, very, very humbly at the lotus feet of Shri Balramji that may his very divine, compassionate, merciful glance be always there on us. And it is this glance that is our qualification to please Krishna. I once again thank all of you for your patient listening and coming and attending this wonderful program. Thank you very, very much. May Lord Balram ji be very happy on all of us and bestow his merciful glance upon us. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.